Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use Google Authenticator on Android phone. Here are the clear steps to set up and use Google Authenticator on your Android phone. While Google Authenticator adds an extra layer of security through two-step verification, 2FA, for your online accounts. Part 1. Install the app. Unlock your Android phone. Open the Google Play Store. Search for Google Authenticator. Tap Install and wait for it to download. Open the Google Authenticator app by tapping Open. Part 2. Add an account. On the app's home screen, tap the plus icon, usually bottom right. Choose Scan or QR code, or enter a setup key. Scan QR code. If the website provides a QR code, point your phone camera at it. Enter setup key. Manually enter your account name and the secret key provided. So I choose to enter setup key. Tap Add or Done to finish adding the account. Part 3. Link it with a new website. On a computer or other device, log into the account you want to protect. For example, Gmail, Facebook, Dropbox. So I choose Gmail website. Go to the security or 2FA settings of that service. Choose to set up 2FA using an authenticator app. When prompted, either scan the QR code, hit Next, then enter the setup key as mentioned and the post step. On your mobile device, the Google Authenticator app on your app will now show a 6-digit code for that account. Enter the code on the website to confirm setup. Then hit Verify. And done. You've now set up and used Google Authenticator. Each time you log in to a protect service, just open the app and enter the code shown. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.